I've been in crypto since 2016, and so I know how a lot of crypto investors think, and let's talk a little bit about how people might be thinking about Pepe in this video. I want to talk about those of you out there that might be holding and buying Pepe in an effort to earn some generational wealth, in an effort to potentially retire early. Is this something that you can still do with a coin like Pepe? I want to chat about it in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Right now, Bitcoin is falling down a little bit and Pepe is bleeding as well. But we did have a little meme coin revival when Bitcoin pumped from 60,000 all the way up to 66K after the Fed rate cuts, showing there's still some life in these memes. And so can you retire early on Pepe? Something to explore in this video. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me hop right in. So if you look at what's going on, you can see that right now at the time of this recording, Bitcoin is currently at $60,000. Let me make sure that still is accurate. Yes, $60,900 Bitcoin. It is down almost 2% in the last 24 hours, down 3.7% in the last week. And if you look at the last 7 days to see what some of the biggest gainers are, you will see that, ignore the FTX token, you'll see that bonk and Pepe are up at the top of the charts, along with Shiba Inu and Dog with Hat, which were much bigger a little while ago, but time's kind of gone by. Coins have slipped down a little bit. Bonk's down 10% today. Pepe's down 8% today, but Pepe is still up 10.26% over the last 7 days. Now, here's something that I just want to come out and just say it, right? There are a couple meme coins that are the chosen ones for this bull market. And you've already seen some of these coins explode. Dog with Hat, Pepe, and Bonk. Now, Dog with Hat and Bonk are on Solana. Pepe is an Ethereum meme coin, actually. It is on top of Ethereum. Dog with Hat and Bonk are on top of Solana. So right now, Pepe coin is the number one Ethereum meme coin. And Ethereum is the second largest coin by market cap. Just filter out over here on CoinMarketCap and you'll see, obviously, Ethereum is number 2. You should know that by now. Pepe will likely never flip Ethereum. That would be ridiculous. Pepe coin is built on top of Ethereum. So then you can say that, expecting Pepe coin to flip Ethereum is kind of out of the question. So what I would do at that point is go, okay, let's go over to this tool market cap of, and let's type in Pepe. Let's type in Pepe. There it is. And let's pull up Ethereum and let's say, what would the price of Pepe be if it took the current market cap of Ethereum? Well, that is a 72x from here. That is not something that you should predict to happen in this bull market. A 72x for Pepe coin would mean a $290 billion market cap for Pepe. Now, could Pepe go up to 100 billion? We've talked about this before as well. You look at Dogecoin and you know what Dogecoin has done in the past. Its previous all-time high was 88 billion. That's kind of your best case scenario for Pepe. That's a 22x. And so you want to retire early with Pepe. You want to create generational wealth with Pepe. And you're watching this video right now. Well, in order to do that, you can say that logically a 10x is very achievable for Pepe, in my opinion. And a 22x is kind of the most bullish scenario I would ever put out there. So let's just say you're going to get a 20x out of Pepe. How much money do you need to have in Pepe coin to make $1 million off of Pepe? Maybe that's your target for retiring early. Maybe you think you can retire early off of $1 million. Well, the truth is you're actually going to need $50,000 in Pepe coin and a 20x. And that means that you didn't even take profit along the way. Because if you're taking profit along the way, then that position's not going to be a fully $1 million because you would have taken some off the table and missed on quote unquote some of the upside, right? But I would recommend taking profit along the way. So realistically speaking, if you want to really retire early, you need $2 to $3 million, arguably, to really retire on your crypto investments. And if you want $2 to $3 million, let's just say you want $2 million, well, then you're literally going to need a 20x out of Pepe with no profit taking along the way. And you're going to need to invest $100,000. and capitalize on that full 20x. It's going to be pretty hard to retire early on Pepe. Can you make a ton of money on Pepe coin right now? Yes. If you invest $5,000 and it goes 10x, which is reasonable, that's $50,000. You could buy your car. You could maybe pay off your mortgage potentially, right? If you invest, $50,000 and it does 10x, well, you just made $500,000. That would be incredible, but not everybody's got that capital. And so a lot of the Pepe coin investors like to put in $200, $1,000 and think I can become a millionaire off of this. And the truth is you won't, not with Pepe. Because if you really expect Pepe to flip the market cap of Ethereum, that would be truly unreasonable. Dogecoin has never flipped Ethereum. Shiba Inu's never flipped Ethereum. They should never. Could they? They might. But Pepe is a brand new meme. And as I mentioned, it is one of the top memes in crypto alongside Dog with Hat and Bonk. And it did get a recent rally at the beginning of October. But now we are dipping back down because of tensions in the Middle East, actually. And I think because the market got a little overly greedy. But you want to retire early with Pepe? We need realistic targets, okay? And it's going to be hard to do with a couple $100. Really, if you want to retire early with a meme coin, you're going to have to take a much bigger gamble. And that's really what it is. And you're going to have to go with a much lower cap meme. I've talked about what some of those memes are. If you want to learn more about some of those memes that I think are going to outperform Pepe, possibly more risky than Pepe. And yeah, I think that Pepe is less risky than other alts. Again, I think it's one of the chosen ones. And I think Pepe is going to do well, but there's other memes out there that could easily give higher gains. And simply put, it's because the market caps are smaller. Now, I'm not going to focus in on any of those memes in this video, but a bull market's coming. You guys have seen the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I'm sure that when the Bitcoin halvings occur, we typically have a bull market afterwards. We're probably looking at anywhere from $100,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin at some point in the year 2025. And with these memes pumping on a little bit of excitement in crypto, you can see that they're ready to pump again. A 10x is easy for Pepe. I've been talking about this. A 20x is achievable. I think it's relatively reasonable, but thinking you're going to get another 73x move on Pepe is a little bit nuts, I think. Is it possible? Hypothetically, yes, but we've never in the history of cryptocurrency seen a meme coin go above $88 billion. The best performing meme coin in the history of crypto is $88 billion. That was Dogecoin. Can Pepe flip that? It might, but is it all of a sudden going to jump up almost 4x higher than that? I don't think that's a really logical theory. Now, I do believe that you could potentially retire early on Pepe, but the truth is, guys, is first of all, you got to wait for a parabolic bull market. Second of all, you're going to have to invest a ton of money into Pepe, which at that point, maybe that's a little bit too much money to put into a meme coin, unless you're already sitting on a bunch of Pepe profits, which I know not a lot of us are, right? It's very uncommon that anybody catches the next Dogecoin, the next Shiba Inu, the next Pepe, the next Dog with Hat, Bonk. So that's kind of the thoughts I have on it. I just want to share with you guys. I know a lot of people want to do it. I do think Pepe is huge, though. It's one of the coins that a lot of these top exchanges think about. The meme app campaign. It's got what? Pepe, Dogecoin, Sheep, Dog with Hat, all the big ones, right? You see other coins getting listed on crypto.com and other exchanges. Here's a frog. Frog coins didn't exist until Pepe. There's so many mimic Pepe coins. I'm bullish on Pepe. Do not get me wrong. And 10x is extremely bullish for anything. If you can get a 10x on anything, that's a miracle compared to the traditional markets. And so the problem is we all like to kind of get greedy and we like to think, okay, Pepe is going to 100x period because it's all exciting and fun. But you need to look at market caps and you need to understand this. I know a lot of people want me to come out and be the most bullish bull I can be. And I am a very bullish crypto lover, but I also like to put out realistic ideas and predictions. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you become a Pepe millionaire? You could. Maybe the best strategy to do it is to catch a crazy leverage trade on it. If you want to leverage trade Pepe, which is very risky, but also when crypto pumps, Pepe's probably going to pump. If Bitcoin's looking like it's breaking through some resistance and breaking to price discovery mode, maybe that's time to open up a long on Pepe. Maybe Bitcoin's hitting resistance and you want to short Pepe a little bit. You can trade Pepe coin on this no KYC required exchange. It's called Blowfin. Free money when you sign up. I got links pinned in the comment section for you down below. I'm very bullish on Pepe. I think it's going to have some awesome trading opportunities, which I'm very excited to dabble with myself. And I do think that a 10x is easy and even a 20x is achievable for Pepe. But if we're thinking anything over a 50x, I don't think that's super realistic for this bull market. Maybe down the road it could be. There is still some bullish catalysts coming up for Pepe. Still needs to get listed on Coinbase. I think it's got a lot of great pumpability left, but if you're trying to retire early on Pepe, you got to know you're going to need over $50,000 in it to have a chance, in my opinion. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I have for you in this one, though. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. Do your own research, my friends, and I will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Until next time, my friends, peace.